Hello children, good morning all of you. Today for class 11, conic section on parabola, part 1. Please pay your attention on the board. Standard form of parabola, that is y square equal to 4ax. Parabola shape, that is this diagram you have to understand clearly. What is parabola? That is from the fixed point and fixed straight line. Keeping the distance constant, that means this distance and this distance. Keeping the distance constant, what path will trace out, that is known as parabola. That means this distance, that is AF equal to AZ. This distance will be equal. Now, this fixed point is known as focus, fixed straight line is known as directrix. And definition of the parabola, that is PF. This is any point on parabola, that is P, and coordinate xy. We have to find out the distance from focus to this point and this point to directrix, that is PF equal to PM. This is the definition of parabola, and this length is known as latus rectum. Length of latus rectum, that is 4a, and equation of latus rectum x minus a equal to 0, and equation of directrix, that is x plus a equal to 0, and this is a is the vertex, that is coordinate 0 0, and this z coordinate minus a0, and coordinate of focus, that is a0. These are the information you have to remember. If you understand clearly this diagram, then easily you will get the solution of the sum. One sum is given. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given 3 4 and whose directrix is given this, and also find the length of latus rectum of the parabola. Definition, that is any point we have to consider on parabola, that is P xy. We have to find out this distance and this distance. These two distance will be equal. That is from definition of parabola. This is why we have to find out distance this, that is PF. The any point, let P xy be any point on required parabola, and now the distance of P from the focus, that is 3 4, by applying the distance formula, that is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, we are getting this. That is the PF. Now we have to find out of distance PM. Again, the perpendicular distance of P from the directrix. The equation of the directrix here is given 3x plus 4y plus 25. This is why the perpendicular distance, that is by applying the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c equal to 0, that is by applying formula 3x plus 4y plus 25 root over 3 square plus 4 square. Now required equation of parabola, that means this distance equal to this distance. According to definition, we are getting this. This is root over 3 square plus 4 square, that is 3 square 9, and this is the 4 square 16, so it will be 25 root over 25, that is 5. Now squaring both sides, we are if you take the squaring both sides, root and square will be eliminated, and here 3x plus 4y plus 25 whole square, and square of 5, that is 25. Now by cross multiplication we are getting this. Here we have to apply the formula a minus b whole square. By that we are getting this, and then we have to apply the formula a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Applying that formula we are getting this. Then we have to simplify. This 25 we have to multiply, and we have to simplify this. Then by interposition and by simplification, we are getting 16x square plus 9y square plus 24xy minus 300x minus 400y equal to 0. This is the required equation of parabola. One part is completed. Next, we have to find out the length of lateral rectum. To get the length of lateral rectum, that is the 4a, we have to find out a. This is the coordinate of focus. If we get the coordinate of focus, then we will get the value of a. This is why, again, the length of the perpendicular from the focus, that is 3, 4, from the directrix, that is 3x. Length, the focus is given and directrix is given. We have to find out this length. This length, that is focus to directrix, and here to here, half of this length will be the value of a. This is why we have to find out the length, that is directrix to the focus. So by applying the formula, that is 3x plus 4y plus 25 divided by root over 3 square plus 4 square, and simplify, we are getting 10 units. This 10 units, half of this will be a. So coordinates of focus 10 by 2, 0, that is a 5, 0. So therefore a equal to 5. Now we have to find out the length of lateral rectum. Therefore length of lateral rectum 4a, 4 into 5, that is 20 units. Sum is completed. Very simple. If you follow the step, all the step attentively, and you have to remember the diagram also, then easily you will understand. Okay, thank you everybody.